Right, do you want to spin it, Scott? Oop. Where's that there? There's a line there. Where is it there? So when it hits this gear, you get the knock. Yeah, and it's every time that line hits the gear. That's it, mate. Come off the gear now, look. So it's this ring gear, clutch ring gear, and it's just there. Just want to show that up. So this tooth here is higher than all the others. Oh, that one is. That's the highest tooth because it's sprung away from this plate. There's a little gap. There's a difference in the gap. So this tooth is the highest gap. So that's the tooth that's banging on the cog. But lucky there's no damage on the cog. The cog is fine. Isn't it, Scott?
It is. Good find.
Wow. Pete, we didn't know that a bit earlier.
Do you need to strip the other engine?
So let's take the whole engine apart. But hey, there you go.